Hi, I'm Asmo. Welcome to the Yu-Gi-Oh! Dueling Network tutorial. This is a website where you can play Yu-Gi-Oh! Against other people. Do note that this website uses manual controls rather than automatic. Every card action is done by the individual and not by the system. This also includes, but is not limited to, life points, card effects, and player communication. It is expected that you have read the most recent Yu-Gi-Oh! Rulebook and front page announcements, as well as the Dueling Network rules. These can be found in the links in the video description. To start off, you have to register an account. You'll need to create a username, password, and enter a valid email address in case you forget your password. Please do keep the username tasteful to abide by the website rules. After you verify your email address, log in with the username and password you have created, then press Duel. The top right camera button will take a screenshot and open a new tab or window to it, but make sure your pop-up blocker is off for Dueling Network. The three bottom left buttons will show you the public chat, online users, and private messages. Blue users on the online users list are friends. Green, gray, and yellow users are administrators. To send someone a private message, you can search their name in the online users list, then double-click it. The bottom right speaker button will toggle mute for Dueling Network sounds. To create a deck, you will need to go to the deck constructor. All cards are free. The prices on the left side are for reference if you decide to buy the physical cards from tcgplayer.com. To add cards to your deck, search cards by entering their name, description, or by using the filter boxes. Then drag and drop them into your main deck area. Adding cards to the extra deck and the side deck can be done by the same method. More cards can be seen by clicking the right arrows. On the left, the enlarged card can be seen with its flavor text or effect. Your main deck must consist of at least 40 cards with a maximum of 60. This count does not include the side deck or the extra deck. Cards that have a cancel 1 or 2 symbol on the corners are cards restricted by the forbidden and limited list. A beige cancel symbol means that the card will be released in the future but is not currently available to be used in rated. A TCG icon means that that card is a TCG exclusive and has not yet been released in OCG. An OCG icon means that that card is an OCG exclusive and has not been released in TCG. OCG and TCG represent different card sets appropriate for particular regions. Also note that Dueling Network abides by TCG United States rulings. The buttons on the bottom left of the deck constructor are self-explanatory. You can view all of your decks by clicking the drop-down menu between Clear Deck and New Deck. The bypass card limit on the bottom right will allow you to place more than the restricted amount, but you will be unable to play in an advanced or traditional format. After creating a legal deck, you can find a duel by exiting and going back to the main menu, then clicking Duel Room. If you are new to Yu-Gi-Oh! Or Duel Network, it is recommended that you do not play in Advanced Rated until you are more familiar with the game and interface. A single is 1 duel, a match is best 2 out of 3 duels. The numbers next to the usernames are rating/experience. These can only be changed when you play rated duels. You can watch duels by changing the mode. Filter/sort will help you find duels with particular usernames, rating, or experience thresholds. To host an unrated duel in a respective lobby, select your options, then click Host Duel. The unlimited lobby can be found by clicking the right arrow under the traditional lobby. Once in a duel, rock, paper, scissors will determine who chooses to go first. The dice button rolls a dice, the coin will flip a coin, the scapegoat summons tokens. The poker chip is used as counters by dragging and dropping onto face-up cards. To add or subtract life points, type the amount in the center box and press enter. Clicking the minus or plus symbol will switch from the subtraction to addition mode or back. Alternatively, you can type /add and a number or /sub and a number in chat. S/T stands for spell/trap. SS or S dot is short for special summon and special. T dot means top. FD means face down. Mill sends the top card of the deck to the graveyard. The buttons below the deck are for shuffling or revealing the hand. The binoculars next to the Watchers list opens Watchers chat. Assuming you've read the basic rulebook, all other buttons are self-explanatory. Rankings will show you the leaderboards, which are sortable by rating, wins, experience in matches or singles. The Profile Viewer allows you to view your own stats as well as others. To view other duelists, type in their username at the top, then press enter. You can also add friends. Users added as friends will show up at the top of the online users list in a blue name if they are online. My Profile will allow you to change your profile information as well as your avatar picture and card sleeves. Wins unlock more avatars, experience unlocks more sleeves. Wins and experience can only be changed through rated duels. Redeem Donation will allow you to input a code from donating to Dueling Network. This unlocks all avatars, sleeves, and lets you upload your own custom ones. Change password is self-explanatory. This has been a very brief Dueling Network tutorial. Thanks for watching.